Yo, what is going on guys? Chef Table here, and today's video we are making the ultimate dirty fries. Yeah, what you see on the screen right now, these are pure filth. I'm going to walk you through the process. Guys, before we get too far in, it'll take a minute. Go ahead, smash that like button for me. If you're new around here, not yet subscribed, consider doing so. You could also turn on your notification bell, notified every time I post a video. Right, let's get into it. Okay, we're going to start off with the pestle and mortar, and this is going to be the spices we're going to add into our corn flour and plain flour for the chicken coating. So first we want some black peppercorns, and we're going to add some pink Himalayan rock salt, just a little sprinkle of that. Next we want a couple of teaspoons of smoked paprika. You could also use cayenne pepper. That was possibly a little more paprika than I wanted, but no harm done. And then these are super hot chili flakes. That's why I didn't go for cayenne pepper. So a nice dose of them. It's going to make the chicken beautiful and spicy. We're also going to go for a little sprinkling of crispy onions. It gives a nice little added flavour to the chicken coating. So get a good pile of them in there. Then we're going to pound the hell out of this, get it all nicely crushed up. That is then going to be added into the corn flour and plain white flour. Just a couple of tablespoons of each. That's all going to go in, be mixed together. I did, after adding this, add a little bit more salt and pepper on its own, just for that extra bit of flavour. But yeah, that's the base for the coating of the chicken. Chicken has been sat in the fridge marinated. That has also got chili flakes, paprika and salt and pepper on it. It's just some chicken breast I've cut into strips. That has been pounded now for about 3 to 4 minutes. See a nice consistency there, nice and smooth. That's going to go in with the corn flour and plain flour. Give it a little stir, put it to one side. That's ready to coat your chicken with later on. Right, time for that amazing cheese sauce. This is everything you're going to need, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So in a pan you want to add your 2 tablespoons of salted butter. You want to let that completely melt. Now time to add 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika and 2 tablespoons of plain flour. You want to then whisk all that in and keep stirring it. Cook it off for about 1 to 2 minutes to cook out all the flour. Should get a nice thick consistency. So just keep whisking, you see it all come together now. Beautiful, great colour on it as well. So yeah, paprika doing its job. Yeah, you get a nice saucy texture like that. So keep doing that 1 to 2 minutes, and then we're going to get on to adding the milk. Okay, in goes 1 cup of milk. I did add some more after whisking it around for a little bit because it was a little too thick. It's personal preference, and you've got to bear in mind the cheese will also thicken the sauce up as well. So give that a good whisk, bring it to a simmer. Been whisking constantly to stop it burning and sticking to the bottom. Now reduce the heat, and you're going to add in a handful of grated cheddar cheese. You can use all different types of cheese in this, but whatever takes your fancy. I've gone for some mature cheddar. Nice handful there. Get that mixed in. You can already see it's getting nice and thick. Beautiful stuff. But keep on whisking. Now we've gone for the processed plastic cheese, I like to call it, the little burger cheese. So we've gone for 6 slices of that, all chopped up. That's going to go in. On a low heat, keep this going, keep stirring. It is going to take a while for that cheese to start melting. Once it does, the cheese sauce is going to get thick, creamy and delicious. And then we're going to add a little touch at the end. See, now nice smooth creamy texture. We're going to add in a handful of those super hot chili flakes. I like a bit of spice, but yeah, give that a good mix. You don't have to add this bit, it's personal preference. I like a spicy cheese sauce. So that's going in, stir that in. That's going to set to one side. Be ready to pour over our fries a bit later on. Okay, as you can see, we are now outside in the beautiful sunshine. We're going to fry our chips outside. It doesn't stink up the whole of your gaff, which is awesome. So these chips have been boiling for 15 to 20 minutes. Then I have stuck them in a cold water bath. Now I've drained all the excess water off on some kitchen towel. You're going to drop these into your deep fat fryer at 190 degrees. And you want to fry these until nice and golden brown. Okay, the chips have had about 10 to 12 minutes. They are now lovely and golden brown. I'm going to drain them off in a bowl with kitchen towel. Place some more kitchen towel on top, get rid of most of that excess oil. Look at them, beautiful. Also going to add a little bit of sea salt in a bit, and they're good to go. Now we're going to move on to frying up that beautiful chicken. Okay, what you have here, the chicken I pre-prepared earlier. It's got the chili flakes and paprika. It's been marinated in the fridge for about 4 hours. You can do it as little or as long as you want. Now that's going to go into a bowl of whisked up egg. Then we're going to transfer that into that beautiful batter mix we made earlier. Get that all nicely coated. Obviously, also make sure you wash your hands after handling your raw chickens. But yeah, give that a good toss around in there, get it coated beautifully. Such a simple chicken batter, but very tasty. So that's all nicely coated now. I'm going to place these onto the plate and they're going to go into the fryer in just a moment. As you can see, everything's all beautifully covered. Lay them out there. And we're going to drop them into the deep fat fryer. We're going to have the basket in the oil, and we're going to drop them in, giving them a little shake as we let go. And that stops them all sticking together. So the chicken's had approximately 15 minutes. I'm going to lift out the basket now, give it a good shake. That's what's going on right now. Then I'm going to pour it onto this paper towel and drain off any excess oil. But yeah, there you go. Crispy chicken, as easy as that. Nice little spice with them chili flakes. Beautiful stuff. And now time for the plating. We are not going for any points on presentation today because it's dirty fries. I don't know how you could plate this up and make it look presentable. So let's just slap it all on. First a layer of chips. Then we're going to put on some of that beautiful crispy chicken that we've chopped up. Next, a handful of fresh tomatoes. Then why not add some jalapenos as well. All these toppings are personal preference, whatever you like. I've gone for another handful of grated mozzarella. Not mozzarella, cheddar, what am I talking about? Know your cheeses, boy. Right, I'm gonna go with the cheese sauce, dribble that over. A big dollop come out then, right on the edge of the plate, which, yeah, didn't really want that much, but look at it. Beautiful. And then we're gonna kind of repeat the process. Another big stack of chips. This is not for the faint-hearted. Yeah, I nearly died after eating it. It was amazingly good, but it filled me up so much. Dribble on some more of that gorgeous cheese sauce. It's filthy, filthy. The ultimate dirty fries. So now we're gonna go with another big pile of that beautiful chicken. Oh boy. I'm voiceovering it right now and it's making me hungry all over again. So then we're going to have some more jalapenos. As you can tell, I do like a little bit of spices, peppers and chilies in everything. But you don't have to do that, you can tone it down. But again, you could use beef in this, you could use whatever, you could use a meat replacement. It's all entirely up to you. So we've just added some more grated cheese, a sprinkling of spring onions. Beautiful, gives it a bit of colour, nice bit of crunch. And then we are going to top it off with some of these beautiful crispy onions. That gives a nice little texture to it, beautiful flavour as well. Love crispy onions. But ladies and gentlemen, that is the ultimate dirty fries. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think. It obviously looks a bit of a mess, but I think it's supposed to. But guys, yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed. Little drizzle of mayo just to end. Beautiful stuff. Guys, thanks. Catch you in the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.